5. All right, you guys. Right here, you guys. This is really good. This is. I'm gonna get one of those on the way out the door. Look at those bad boys. Can you get this on? Or can you get this online or not?
Yes.
All right, let me see. There it is, you guys. Right here. Get it online. 612-440-6506. There you go. All right, we'll come back.
Awesome.
I do. She gave me a sample of that one. It was really good. My father-in-law, who's passed away, would eat those.
Would you eat the whole bag of hot cheddar?
And he loved anything hot, so I wouldn't touch it. That's why he'd buy it. All right, we'll see you back. There you go, you guys. Someone working hard. Capitalism at its best. All right. Here you got your outdoor sign. I guess the Hunch just fired Chrissy Noam today, so. We got all kinds of fun stuff here. I love it, getting all kinds of candy. So I like. So here's some weapons here we can get at here. That's some nice weapons there. Goodness. Good. Oh my goodness! Look at these weapons, you guys. Woo! Chop, 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 sweet. Heavy as hell. But yeah, there you go. Oh, your knives right here, man. Look at that. I'd probably kill myself with that thing.
Cutting deals off.
Yeah, I bet. These are kind of nice. I like that. Look at that.
No, we're not cheap.
Oh my goodness. You want the best right here. None of this stuff is your goodwill behavior.
All the time and it never works.
Yeah.
But it has a lifetime
Ours does. $49.99.
The ultimate toilet. I've seen these before. Yeah.
You have.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The ultimate head. Right there you go.
Yeah, they can go pretty much anywhere.
Yep.
No water or sewer connection needed.
Yeah. Where you go.
Yeah.
Drop your deuce. Beautiful.
Yes.
All right. Well, we'll take one anyways. We'll take one. Make a four-wheel over here. Now we're getting into a bunch of fun stuff over here.
Was that a real big long one? Tall one? Normally they have
Here's
it in the
these
back.
things right here. $31,000 for this pig. Look at this bad boy. Yeah. Look at this bad boy. Heck yeah. Kind of a suicide door. Let's see. A little dusty, you guys. Gotta put that dust off. Pretty big crowd here for a Thursday. Really big crowd.
It is good. It's beeswax. Nice. Really good. Oh my God, I'm gonna go find one. I love it.
I gotta get a pen for my wife. She's
yeah,
a.
you can take a. So that's the or this. But if you prefer one of these, you heard her talking about.
There. These are the blinds. She likes the pens. Oh, I see. All kinds of fun stuff. Buckshot blinds. This is make your best deal today, I guess, right? All right. So this is, you can come here hunting. All kinds of fun stuff. So, heck yeah. Want to go Amazon fishing in the wild. Nice. Very nice. If you want to go on Grand Rapids, I've been to Grand Rapids before. It's nice. Did some videos up there a while ago. Another pen for my wife. Got like that. Look at that. Oh yeah. She'll like that. Heck yeah. Starburst. So yeah, it's a nice area up there. Really nice. Right in the old Mighty Mall. Longview. Ben Lieber's in the building again. Over here if you wanna. Hello.
There you go. The Jake's good. You might do that.
My sister used to, well, she passed, but she lived in Sydney, Nebraska.
Oh, yeah. Very cool.
Yep.
Way more central.
Yep.
Love it.
All right.
Yeah.
Keep up good work. I like you already. I love these kind of stuff. I love these. My wife is a pen whore.
There you go.
All right.
Well, that's weird because
How's the real estate business these days?
picking up.
Is it? All right.
Definitely picking up. It's spoons are starting to ring. So.
All right. So yeah, all kinds of good candy here today. All kinds of good stuff. Lots of candy. Feel like it's Halloween. He's got something here.
Right in the same area. Both those big girls were there.
Walker Family Resorts. Oh my goodness. Look at those big fish. 35 cabins, 1 to 10 bedrooms, on-site bar and grill, seasonal RV. Nice. Seasonal RV site. There you go. You can sit there all year long, hang out. Walter Family Resorts. How much does it cost for a month for an RV? If I drop an RV there, how much would it cost for a month?
We don't have many month ones.
Okay.
We have seasonal.
How much seasonal?
A seasonal would be like $4,600 for the May 1 to October 1.
That's stealing. That's fair. That's fair enough. 4,600. You got, is that hookups in the whole 9 yards?
Those are full hookups. So you got 50 amp, you got 30 amp. That's super.
Yeah, that's stealing. That's good. That's a fair price.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Beautiful.
Yep. And we have an indoor pool and
Beautiful. All
all
right.
the amenities for the resort
All right.
are
Perfect.
included.
All right. That's fair. How many months is that?
So you got all of May, June, July, August, and September. So it's 5 months.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's under $1,000.
Yeah.
It's cheaper than rent. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So that's not bad.
And his health.
Mm-mm.
Disease and Parkinson's. And one hasn't turned out.
Mm-hmm.
When he passed.
Pipe song.
Shirley passed.
Anytime I get free candy, I'm going to do it. Look at this bad boy. Boathouse boats. Ooh, that one. It's huge. Now we're getting into a weird area. We're getting into more. These are busted on 1,024. Mm-hmm. I don't know, it's 5 or 6. I have no idea. We got all kinds of stuff here. Cat food bags. Oh, my dog. They carry those things. They pillar to post and post to pillar.
Or they
Mm-hmm.
fry it like on over a fire.
Yeah, they would. Or your motors. Mm-hmm. Don't see any food or any pens.
Yes, yeah.
Look at this. Little sickle. Boogie along with that. Oh, yeah, bad boy. Heck yeah. 15 grand, 16 grand, nice. Mm-hmm.
What's funny now is even on boats like mine, they're not putting.
More fishing stuff, gloves. You got it. You name it, they have it. They want a lot of money at this stuff. Not cheap.
Was it on the newest update?
I've seen it before. Mm-hmm.
You know, I saw that 23.
Mm-hmm. $100 for that bad boy. Oh yeah. That bad boy. Oh my goodness. One hell of a boat. One hell of a ship. Big ass engine, motor. Ooh, golly. One big son of a gun. Oh, the sauna time. Oh my word. Sitting here and have the time of your life. If you're at a cabin, I get it. You know what it is at my house when you use it. Yeah, I like it. Done my last battery, I put a new one in, so anyways. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Mmm. That looks good. Really bad boys. What is this? What is this one?
It's cinnamon cream.
Oh, you should be ashamed of yourself. Oh goodness. Good.
No shame, sir.
Oh, I know. Shame is a good thing. It's when something's really good, you should be. I always say you should be ashamed of yourself when it's that good. It's a good shame.
You can also freeze these too. 6 months, right? The container.
If I worked for you, you'd fire me because you eat all the profits. See ya. That's good. Anyways. Over to Joe's. Gonna finish up this one right here. We're really good over in St. Paul. I buy a lot of my lures from those guys. Well, these things are just way too expensive. Mm-hmm. That's good. She's saying themselves how good it is. Anyways, I'm gonna sit down here and change out the battery. See the next one.